Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide for Chevy GMC's 2001 to 2010 Silverado and Sierra 2500 HD. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Remove the rivets retaining your leaf spring hanger. Then, cut off your existing center bed mount, forward bed mount, rear cab mount, and any obstructions in the work area. Grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Then, with a 14mm socket and 15mm wrench, remove the two bolts retaining the forward fuel tank crossmember. Our part features a perforated plate you can remove to fit over your crossmember and its bolts if you decided not to remove them. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 3. Slide your leaf spring frame section onto the frame and tap it into place with a hammer. Use the frame holes to help with the alignment. You can C-clamp your part into place to ensure a tight fit. Once you have your frame section in place, reinstall the forward fuel tank crossmembers hardware with a 14mm socket and 15mm wrench. Then, following proper welding procedures, tack weld your leaf spring frame section onto the frame before welding it on fully. Step 4. With a 14mm socket and 15mm wrench, use the included hardware to reinstall your leaf spring hanger. Then, reinstall your center bed mount, forward bed mount, and rear cab mount using the installation videos from our YouTube channel. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done!